you think buying a second-hand electric car is risky? Think again. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. A massive study of 1,366 used EVs and plug-in hybrids shows most batteries are still going strong even after years of hitting the road. Kidbill, a Swedish used car broker, dug into battery state of health reports and found that 80% of vehicles retained 90% or more of their original battery capacity. That means your second-hand EV could drive nearly like new without the premium price tag. While Kia's EV6 topped the charts, returning the highest SOH scores across the board, experts say battery life depends more on lifestyle than brand. Martin Reinholdson, Kidbill's test manager, said age, climate, driving style, and charging habits play a big role. But let's be real, Kia clearly knows how to build a battery that lasts. Their e-Niro and Sportage PHEV models also scored big in battery health. And this isn't the only study. UK leasing company Arval analyzed 8,300 battery health certificates and found the average battery still held 93% capacity. Even at 124,000 miles, the average EV battery retained nearly 90% of its power. Simple habits like avoiding load charges, not maxing out to 100, and skipping super fast charging can extend that even further. This is enough to boost the EV market. Strong battery health means more confidence for buyers, fewer depreciated values, and faster adoption of electric cars overall. So if you've been eyeing a second-hand EV bargain, the future might be brighter than you thought. So, are you gonna buy a second-hand EV for yourself? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.